Hi everyone, welcome to e-learning. In today's video, we will learn how to clear the ith bit of given number using C programming. This is a fundamental concept in bit manipulation and is often used in embedded system and low-level programming. So first, let's understand what is mean to clear the ith bit. Each bit in a binary number can be either 0, 1 or 0. So this is our example binary number. So if you are able to look, all 1 and zeros are available here. And if we clearing a bit means making it 0 regardless of whether it was initially 1 or 0. So if we need to clear the bit, so that we need to make as 0 if the bit is 1 or 0 based on the input and the number is available. So this is the binary. For example, if we have a number that is 29. So what is the binary representation of 29 is 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, and we want to clear the third bit and the result will be 21, that is in representation in binary is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. So we are clearing the third bit. So third bit means this is 0 1 2 3. So this is the bit we are clearing, and after uh, doing the bitwise AND operation, it will make it as 0. So it will see in the formula. So what is the formula for clearing the bit is the number that you are entering equal to number bitwise and with negation of one left shift by the index. So this is the formula that we need to apply for the clearing of the bit. So we will see how it works. So the first step, if one left shift by I, it shifts one to the ith position. One shift to the ith position. Then if we'll consider the second part, negation of one left shift by I. So what will be the output? It will inverts the bits, creating a mask where only the ith bit is 0 and all other bits are 1. So it will not affect other numbers. And the third uh, steps is number and mask. Means the number and you have created the mask that we need to and with mask. It will clears the ith bit while keeping the others unchanged. Means they are not affecting other numbers. It will only change the specific ith position. So let's write a simple C program to demonstrate this. We'll go to the code block and we'll see how the code will work. So we'll write the program. At that time, we are including the standard input output, that is hash include stdio.h. After that, we will write the main function, that this is the entry point function for the C program. We need to define the integer number and the index. So we will define unsigned integer int the number that we are entering and comma I. This is the index. After that, we need to ask user to enter the number. Sorry. So I'm adding the comment, input the number and the bit position. Bit position. So what is the syntax for printf? So we need to give us the user command, that is enter a number. Sorry. After that we need input, that is scanf, and we are asking user to enter the unsigned integer. Sorry, the percent %u is a format specifier for unsigned. After that we are asking the input from the user. Okay, and we are asking the bit position as well to the user. So the message for the user is enter the bit position to clear. After that we are storing this index in the I variable, and that is also unsigned, so we are using the format specifier, that is u, and we are accessing the I. After that we need to create a mask. So for the mask we are giving one more variable, that is mask variable, that is unsigned int mask equal to negation of one left shift by I. So it will create a mask for us, and we need one more variable, it will stored as a result. So this is also unsigned integer, and we are declaring as a result, and we are ending with the number, sorry, number ending with the mask. So it will give us the output. After that we are printing the result. Printf. So our output is also unsigned, so first I am printing the original number. So we are using format specifier as u, and we are giving the new line escape sequence, and we are printing the number. Okay, and after that we are printing the actual clearing of ith bit. Printf number after clearing, oh sorry, number after clearing bit. Okay, and we are using format specifier and escape sequence, and comma I comma result. So it will give us the output, and we are returning 0 because of we are not taking any argument for this. So we'll run the code and we'll see the step of explanation. So we have first take input for the number and the bit position. We calculate the mask using negation of one left shift by I, and we use the AND operator to clear the ith bit of the number. And finally we print the original number and the result after clearing the bit. Okay, so let's build and run the code. After building we need to enter the number. So the number that we have considered in the explanation, that is 29. Okay, and we need to give us the position, that is third position, and the original number we have given, this is as 29, and the number after clearing the third bit, that is 21. So this is the output. I hope this video helped you understand how to clear the ith bit in C. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to e-learning for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and